Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you a couple of different things that you can do on your device to actually go ahead and speed up your specific iPhone. Now most of these things are going to be pretty applicable to any iPhone. However, verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So let's get started. First of all, check your iPhone storage. Just go over settings, then scroll down and tap on general. From general menu, select iPhone storage and you'll be able to see how much space your iPhone have free and how much space already you have. So basically scroll down a little bit and find apps take up a lot of space. So as you can see, my TikTok app take up a lot of space. What I do is remove it completely. Just go to your home page, press and hold on apps takes up a lot of space and just remove this app. Then go to App Store, tap on search and of course install again this app to your device. Just find this app, in my specific case for example TikTok, then of course again install this app to your device. Second, what we can do, just go over settings and check updates. Just go to general, then scroll down and of course select general, tap on software update and you'll be able to see some different updates here if you already have it. So basically you just tap on download and install latest update for your device. So next, again from settings, we should disable some different options. First of all, you can disable screen time. Just go to screen time, scroll all the way down and in very bottom you'll be able to see turn off screen time. Just tap on it, enter your passcode or your Face ID and then proceed to turn off screen time. So it's app just take much energy from your device. Next step, from settings scroll all the way down and find privacy. Proceed to privacy and then scroll down and you'll be able to see analytics and improvements. Tap on it and here just disable share an iPhone analytics. Just swipe the slider to the left side next to share iPhone analytics. Alright, just go back and check last updates for your apps that you already installed. Just go all the way App Store, then tap on today at the bottom left corner of the screen, then tap on your profile icon. Here you should press and hold on any space of screen and swipe from top to down to reload this page and you'll be able to see some updates. Just tap on update all. You'll be able to see count how many updates you have. Just tap on update all. So and last, what we can do, just go over settings, then from settings menu scroll down and tap on battery, tap on battery health and enable optimize battery charging. Just swipe the slider to the right side. You can see I already enable it, but you just swipe the slider to the right side and enable optimized battery charging. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.